everyone, my name is Diceritakan. I'm from SMK Werdhi Sila Kumara, and today I would like to tell you the story about Calon Arang. Long time ago in Gira village, there lived a supernatural widow named Calon Arang. She was very powerful. Her face was very frightening. But her life was very happy because she has a very beautiful daughter named Ratna Manggali. Ratna Manggali was a very kind girl. She liked to help each other. Every day, Ratna Manggali spent her time in the garden. Do you know what she's doing there? She planted and watered the flower by singing like this. If all it says later, why is it so hard to say? Sounds very romantic, isn't it? But Ratna Manggali was a very pretty girl. No man were brave to fight Ratna Manggali, because all people in Gira village were afraid with the widow. One day, when Ratna Manggali walking around the village, she was very surprised, because whenever she met boy, they run from her. Then a man shouted, Hey, all people in this village! Don't go to that girl. Don't fall in love with her. And don't marry her, because all of you can die by her mother. After that, Ratna Manggali fell down, sad and cried. She prayed to God. Oh God, why all people in this village hate me? Actually, I need a prince in my life without being afraid with my mother. Suddenly, she stood up. Stop talking, please! Stop! Don't think negative about me and my mother! Stop! After that, the wind blew strongly. What happened? Her mother came. And then she showed it. Hey, all people in this village! I'm Ratna Mangali's mother, the most powerful woman in this world. I'm Calon Arang. How dare you are! You make my beloved daughter feel sad and cry. So all of you must be dead. Calon was very angry, and she gave everyone punishment. After that, the epidemic disaster directly attacked all people in Gira village. There were a lot of victims because of it. They were sick and then died. Only Empu Baradah from Lematules village could solve this problem. He had very good idea. Jadi Calon Arang. Empu Baradah asked Empu Bahula, his students, to marry with Ratna Manggali. Bahula, you must marry with Ratna Manggali, the daughter of Calon Arang, to make easy for us to beat Calon Arang, said Empu Baradah. Alright, if it can save all people from the big disaster because of Calon Arang, I'll do it, said Bahula. Finally, Bahula and Ratna Manggali get married. It was a very big party. And in that time, Bahula took the black magic book of Calon Arang and gave it to Empu Baradah. My lord, got the black magic book of Calon Arang, said Bahula. Good job, Bahula. You have done it well, said Empu Baradah. After the wedding party is over, Calon Arang should back to her hut in the forest. But when she arrived at the forest, she was very surprised by Empu Baradah. So here the great battle was started. Hey, you big wizard! What you gonna do? I'm far more superior than you. I've destroyed all of your relics, amulets, and all of your book of mantras, said Empu Baradah. Calon Arang was very angry, and she screamed so loud and became a Rango, the queen of all black magic in the world. And she gave all of red fireballs to Empu Baradah. And then Empu Baradah turned himself, become a barrow, a big lion-like creature that shining and brightly. So they started for physical attack. Finally, Calon Arang was gone, and Empu Baradah came back to Lematulis village, and all of people in Jura village live happily ever after. So audience, the story teaches me that we can't be easy to get angry to someone because it will show the negative attitude from ourselves. Thank you so much. Alright, that's all about the story of Calon Arang. Thank you so much for your attention and have a good day.